Bitstamp Crypto Review, watch before using. In today's video, we're diving into a review of Bitstamp, one of the oldest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges. Founded in 2011, Bitstamp offers a robust platform designed for both beginners and experienced traders looking to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. It supports major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, along with several other altcoins, making it a versatile option for those looking to diversify their portfolios. First, let's talk about the user interface. Bitstamp provides a clean, straightforward layout that's easy to navigate, whether you're using the desktop platform or the mobile app. Its simple design allows users to quickly place trades without feeling overwhelmed by unnecessary information. However, while it's great for beginners, it still offers more advanced trading tools like charting options and API access, making it suitable for more seasoned traders as well. One of the standout features of Bitstamp is its security. With a strong track record of keeping users' funds safe, the exchange uses industry-standard security practices, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for the majority of assets. They've also undergone multiple security audits, which is a good sign for anyone concerned about the safety of their investments. When it comes to fees, Bitstamp offers a competitive fee structure with a sliding scale based on trading volume. The more you trade, the lower your fees become, which is beneficial for active traders. For beginners, the fees may seem a bit higher on smaller trades, but once you're comfortable with the platform, the fee structure becomes more appealing. Bitstamp also provides fiat to crypto pairs, meaning you can deposit and withdraw in various currencies like USD, EUR, and GBP, which adds convenience for users around the world. On the customer support side, Bitstamp provides responsive support via email, live chat, and a detailed FAQ section. While their response times can vary, they generally offer helpful and thorough assistance. However, if you're seeking 24/7 phone support, you might need to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Bitstamp is a reliable and secure crypto exchange that strikes a balance between beginner-friendly features and advanced tools for more experienced traders. If you're looking for a well-established platform with a variety of coins, solid security, and a transparent fee structure, Bitstamp is a strong contender.